Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. This is Max and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to share everything that you need to know about Nami Island. Before I head on to Nami Island, I'm going to grab a quick bite. There are many restaurants which are near the ferry terminal which takes you to Nami Island. I've ordered the cold noodles in soya bean soup. This is the first for me and I'm gonna have it now. Hey guys, so that was quite a sumptuous lunch. I had ordered cold noodles with soya bean soup with an egg on top, and soya bean milk or the soup is quite healthy and nutritious. And since I'm going to embark on hiking trail across the Nami Island, I thought I need a bit more energy. So now I'm walking towards the ferry terminal, which will take me to Nami Island. So I just passed through the immigration terminal. So Nami Island is actually Naminara Republic, and that is why it has its own separate flag and all. It is a micronation which is located within Korea. Hey guys, so now we are officially entering the Nami Island. So guys, let me give you some background about the Nami Island. So long ago in the Joseon dynasty, there was a general called Nami, and he was accused by the king of that time, King Sijo. He accused General Nami of treachery, and although the general was never found of doing any criminal things, he was still accused and he was designed as a traitor. There's a tomb here where that general died, and that tomb is also kept somewhere on the island. I'll try to find it. This place is surreal. I mean, the weather is just perfect right now. There's a cool breeze in the air, and it's so beautiful here. Oh man, to all the viewers on TV, I won't be able to summarize accurately what I'm seeing here. This is just amazing experience. As I was recording this, there's this huge smile on my face because the views that I'm seeing here are absolutely insane. From end to end, the Nami Island is not more than 1000 or 1200 meters. You can go totally to the end of the island and you can be back towards the wharf, say maybe in like 30 minutes. But the overwhelming sense in this place, it's like it's very calm, it's very peaceful here. Although the sun has come out and it is quite sunny right now, overall this place is very well maintained, and I can understand why it is such a major tourist attraction. 오, 깜짝이야. Hey guys, so that's it. We are back on the mainland now. The ferry just takes like 5 minutes from the Nami Island to the mainland. I hope you found this video helpful and fun. If you have any queries related to Nami Island or Seoul or Busan or South Korea in general, please let me know in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I hope you had a wonderful day. I wish you Godspeed and thank you for watching.